Hi, I'm Clifton Schooley, rammed earth designer, builder, trainer, and consultant. If you're building a rammed earth house, it helps to understand the process of design, and that's where I come in. For me, it's been a long and important journey learning how to make things the proper and most efficient way first time round. To do rammed earth properly, I had to learn a whole new skill set compared to those needed to build conventional wood frame homes. Knowing my way around rammed earth work and being able to innovate as required saves money, resources, time, and energy. I believe it's the reason why I have happy customers across the continents. Me, I love taking ideas, the bolder the better, and turning them into building plans, 3D models, and finally, a beautiful, durable home to live in. To summarize the actual design process that we use in 4 easy stages. Stage 1, concept and research. Everything starts with an idea. We talk to our client and learn about their needs, ideas, and architectural preferences in context with the intended site. This way, we identify constraints, opportunities, and possibilities. Stage 2, schematic design. Here we translate ideas into rough drawings, floor plans, and move these into more detailed 3D models. In this way, we explore form, space, and function before proceeding. Stage 3, design development. As the ideas and practicalities coalesce, we begin detailing materials, color, structure, plumbing, electrical, and the all-important forming system most suited to the design. Step 4, construction documents. This is the technical phase. We create the drawings needed to get a building permit and to show contractors how to build this specific type of house. We also offer training in person or remotely to ensure the vision comes to life as intended, should you need it. It's worth noting that rammed earth is a highly adaptable medium that can be attuned to any climate, whether stable or changeable. Yeah, I love rammed earth. If you feel the same, or just want to explore what's possible in this unique genre of design, why not call me? Send me an email. We'd love to hear from you.